Good morning, everybody. I wanted something to eat for brunch and I didn't know what to make, so I got thinking. So I went on Pinterest and started looking around and I came up with this, crispy cinnamon chips. Yep, sounds delicious with a cup of tea. All you need is some flour tortillas. I have some nice big ones right here. And these are the extra large ones. They don't give any measurements on this one, but they're nice big. I make my own flour tortillas, and if I can find it in my playlist, I'll put the link below. But all you need is flour tortillas, which I have right here. And you need a pan with a little bit of butter spray or something. And you need some butter and some cinnamon sugar. So I'm going over to the stove and we're going to put this in the frying pan like this, and we're going to lightly make it brown. And I'll bring you back, or you come along and you'll see what's going on. It's gonna taste good with a nice hot cup of tea this morning. It's in the single digits here in Maine. So again, this is called crispy cinnamon chips, made with flour tortilla and butter. Nothing tastes better with butter. So here we go. Okay, I have it on the stove now and it's getting a little browner. But when I do my flour tortillas, I don't put any oil in here at all. And I don't usually fry it on this. I have something else I put it on. But this is getting nice and brown. Then we'll put a little butter on it with some cinnamon sugar. That will taste yummy. And this is going to taste so good with a cup of tea this morning. And again, I will put the link down below on my flour tortillas. How do you like my little spatula grabbits? Aren't these just the cutest? Now, don't ask me where I got them because I don't remember. I'm gonna say Walmart, but I'm not sure. But I love it for little things. I myself have made so many, I just use my fingers. But I thought I would do it this way because some folks don't have their fingers toughened up. But there you have it. I'm not going to go any browner than this. This is beautiful right here. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move back over to the counter. Here I'm back at the counter and I'm going to butter this. Just like this, just butter it lightly. Cinnamon sugar of your choice, just like this. And I'm going to show you a little trick that I do. I use a pizza cutter. Then you can make your little chips or strips, however you want it. See, just like this. Cut it right up. How yummy would this be? You could have it for the football games. Good old New England Patriots. Yay, yay, yay. Okay, just like that. Now I'm going to put it on a little plate and I'm going to eat it. Hi, I'm back. Here we go right here. There's a lot more down here, but I just want to put one because I'm going to get a cup of tea. Oh, this will be so good. I think I could eat probably 3 or 4 big ones, but I won't. Very good. Very, very good. I have one thing I want to show you. Right here is an original flour tortilla basket. Take the cover off. Oops. I forgot. I got something sweet too from my future daughter-in-law in here. Didn't she do a great presentation? There's some jewelry she bought me. But my son just brought this back from Mexico. And what you do you take a towel and you set it right in the basket like this. Then you take your flour tortilla, just like that, and you can either put the cover on or you can cover it with your towel. How good is that? And they know that I like color, so they got me this basket, which I thought was pretty cool. So if you like this video, please give me thumbs up because YouTube recognizes all those thumbs ups. And you can find me on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. And don't forget, I give my shout outs on Wednesday. And this week we still have KIim Fry, and his link will be below for the shout out. So go see him, say hi, tell him I sent you over there. So I hope everybody has a great day, and God bless. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye now.